Today we will study volume and surface area. Firstly, we start with solids. The bodies occupying space are called solids. The solid bodies occur in various shapes. It may be cuboid, it may be cube, it may be cylinder, it may be cone, it may be sphere, etc. etc. These all solids are three dimensional. Just we can say that solids are three dimensional figure. What is volume of a solid? The space occupied by a solid body is called its volume. Volume of a solid. The space occupied by a solid body is called its volume. After that, surface area. What is surface area? Surface area refers to the area of the exposed surface of the three-dimensional solid. There are two types of surface area. First one, lateral surface area, and second one, total surface area. Total surface area is the area of the entire object, whereas lateral surface area does not include the area of the top and bottom. We have solid cuboid. Let's start with cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. This one like a cuboid, in which this length, this one is length, this one is breadth, and this one is height. We can say that faces of cuboid are rectangle. Each one of the faces of the cuboid is rectangle. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic units. Lateral surface area of cuboid 2 bracket L plus B into H square units. Total surface area of cuboid 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH square units. Diagonal of the cuboid under root L square plus B square plus H square units. Second one, cube. In cube, each one of the faces of the cube are square. The difference between cube and cuboid: in cuboid faces are rectangle, in cube faces are square. Volume of cube is equal to L cube cubic units, where L is the side of the cube. Lateral surface area is equal to 4L square unit. Total surface area 6L square unit. Diagonal is equal to root 3 into L units. If you know volume of cuboid, then you can calculate volume of cube. Volume of cuboid L into B into H. volume of cube will be L, B and H. Length, breadth and height in cube are equal, so L into L will give L cube. Therefore volume of cube will be L cube cubic unit. Lateral surface area, from lateral surface area of cuboid we can calculate lateral surface area of cube. Here lateral surface area of cuboid 2 bracket L plus B into H. So lateral surface area of cube will be 2 bracket L plus L into L. L plus L 2L, 2L into 2 4L, 4L into L 4L square. Therefore lateral surface area of cube is 4L square units. Similarly, from the total surface area of cuboid we can calculate the total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cuboid 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. We just put in place of B L, in place of H L, then we can calculate total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube will be 2 bracket L into L plus L into L plus L into L. L into L, L square, L square, L square, 3L square, 3L square into 2, 6L square. Therefore total surface area of cube will be 6L square units. Diagonal is equal to root 3L units. Diagonal of the cuboid L is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of cube will be under root L square plus under root L square plus under root L square. L square plus L square plus L square under root 3L square. Therefore diagonal will be under root 3L units.